Continuing our onshore adventures while Sarah is visiting from the mainland. This week we head up Oahu's wild west side to take in the sights and try to find some snorkeling. Okay, cool. We just got to Koholini, this like weird resort gated community thing. There are these 4 man-made lagoons for snorkeling, and we're gonna check it out. This is Sarah's first time to do real snorkeling, so
excited.
Yeah, should be cool. Let's go see what's down there. So we got our first snorkel of the day done. Koholini, really poor viz, a little bit of clouds and rain, but we saw some fish and a sweet little turtle. And now we're gonna keep pushing up the west side, and I think we're gonna head to another beach and see what else we can see. So we just parked by the condos. There's a website online where we're looking up these snorkeling and Oahu sites. And Sarah found the little secret path between the condos. And we're gonna go scope it out and then see if it's happy, and then we'll get our stuff and get in the water. I see dark spots there, so that means there's reefs, huh? Guess it depends on what the waves are doing. So it's very, very beautiful here, but the surf is kind of raging.
Crazy.
Seems like the viz is a little better. The water is super cold, like very cold. I don't know if it's because we've been in the water already or it's just really cold, but yeah, my main concern is that this surf is charging. We don't want to get slammed onto a reef, so.
Yeah, it's breaking right where we would be snorkeling.
Exactly where we would be snorkeling.
And what do you think? That's like 2-foot waves, 3-foot waves?
Yeah, yeah, and they're pushing kind of high up. So we're just gonna hop back in and keep exploring the west side Let's cruise up and find Land's End. So we've reached the end of the road on the west side of Oahu. Yesterday, a little later than this, we were at the end of the road on the north shore, which is just around the corner. There's no road that connects all the way around. It is stunningly beautiful here, and we have better weather today. So we're just gonna explore the coast. I think the surf is too high for any more snorkeling outside of protected coves, but there's also an anchorage over here I'm gonna check out. I might come back around with Tritea and anchor there later, so we're gonna peek at that on the way back around. But let's explore this coastline. It looks fantastic.
Like the waves come all the way up here?
Oh yeah. Look at that hole.
Oh, it's like a blowhole.
Ooh, that is deep. Oh, big crab. You okay? Oh. Stop moving. That was almost very bad. Very bad. That would have been a very bad fall.
Did you film that?
Yeah, I won't use it, but...
Oh my god.
Alright, let's do that in a less terrifying way. Go that way. You okay?
I think I'm fine. I feel like I'm gonna pee my feet.
Wow.
What even happened?
So yesterday we were here, and today we are right there. And we will not be hiking around the entire end. But we're gonna hike for a little bit and see what's over here. Isn't that crazy? Isn't that insane? This is a crazy bush, huh? Windswept.
Oh my god. Look how it's growing.
I know, it's so crazy.
That's your favorite flower.
This is the Stepalia or something. It's a domestic version of the corpse flower, but it's growing out here in the wild. It smells like rotting meat. It's the bigger version of this is the largest flower in the world, and it smells terrible. I've seen the big ones. They get up to 7 feet. This is like a small version you can grow at home. And first time I ever smelled one, I almost threw up on my plant. I'm gonna show you the flower, and I'm not gonna smell it. Oh, there's more buds. And it smells like rotting meat, so that the flies pollinate it. So the flies come, get the pollen or whatever's on it, and then takes it and pollinates the other ones. That's why it smells like rotting meat. But it's so cool to see one just growing on this hillside. That is so crazy. I didn't know they grew here. These ones haven't bloomed yet.
It's like a grove of them.
Yeah. They're so pretty. What month do yours bloom normally?
They bloom like twice a year, but I don't remember when they bloom.
Yeah, I don't remember when mine bloom in LA either. Disgusting. The west side is crazy beautiful. Like, whoa! Really, really love it over here. I'm so glad we did this hike out. Just stunning, and there's so few sort of like references to humans that you can really kind of see what it must have been like, you know, early contact days. Really beautiful. You come to Oahu, make sure you come all the way to the end of the west side and do this hike, because it is very powerful and very beautiful. Thanks for watching this episode. I hope you guys have been enjoying these onshore adventures here on Oahu. I want to thank Sarah for coming out and spending a week with me and exploring Oahu. Sarah is a very talented singer and songwriter, and following this clip is a video that we shot of her performing in a giant oil barrel on my mother's ranch in 2012. And getting to re-watch that video after such a long time really warmed my heart and brought back wonderful memories of that visit. So stay tuned and check that out, and visit her Bandcamp page as well. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up, and leave me a comment if you have any questions or if you enjoyed it. And again, make sure you hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any future episodes. I can't wait to show you everything I've been seeing. Fair winds until next time.